So this is a quick analysis of gold pair. We profited of this trade. As you can see, this was a W formation that was formed today, and then it was just a way to manipulate to profit off this trade. A simple W formation pattern. As you can see. So let's get right to it. This is just a simple W pattern that we're going to explain in this video, how to make entries and how to profit out of it. This is a simple gold analysis. So basically, a W formation is a retest and breakout and retest pattern. That's when we do the entry. So let's get right to it. So basically, we would mark that reversal pattern that was formed, that W, the reversal pattern that was formed. Then you mark that one. Then next, you mark the where the liquidity was broken. That is that horizontal resistance point, which was the support, which was broken, and it became a resistance line. So we mark that one. That's the line that we put there. Then next, as you can see, that gray area is just to share some liquidity. First it was broken, and then it came to retest, and then that retest, that's when you take your entry. So as you know that it was broken, you know that it would come, and it failed to break that liquidity point to the downward. And what formed on that liquidity, on that liquidity point was a flag to confirm that this is a continuation of the bullish momentum that was formed down there. So this was just a flag pattern which was formed to confirm that this is the bullish moment that's going into to place your buys there. That liquidity point, that resistance point there, that was where you would do your buy. It's a very basic flag pattern. So this is pattern within a pattern, with a W formation, and then with a flag pattern to show that this is a pattern within a pattern. And then what's the next is to just show where you are supposed to take your entry, and there, that's where you're supposed to take your sweet entry there. You place your trades, then you are done. You place your trades, then you know that you're going to milk the market. It's going to be like an ox. As you can see there, that was where that was the TT where you're supposed to milk the milk there, and then you enter. But then as you can see, we were given another second entry point there. It broke that previous high which was formed when it did the flag. What happened? It broke and came and retested. That was another point of entry. That's a breakout and retest there. So what happened there was it broke to the upside, and then it came and retested that zone, and then it went continuously went up. So that was another second entry there that you are supposed to take. Then you milk the brokers, people. Milk the brokers. There's no time to make them rest today. And this was a very, very sweet setup that was formed today. Sweet, easy setup. All you needed was to just analyze, sit back, relax, milk, and then you are good. Voila. So this was basically a W, as you can see. And what does a W do? It goes up. It goes up to retest that zone there. But then, as you can see, we are now approaching another liquidity zone. So there, you just put break even, and you are done with your trades. Voila. And then voila, you are done with the market. You are done. As you can see, the market then did its thing. It even surpassed my TP there. This is just milking. Only milking. So yeah. Ciao, Baba, ciao.